Have you ever looked at a house online and thought, yeah, I could afford that if I gave up groceries, electricity, and joy? Well, today I'm going to be breaking down how to actually figure out how much house you can actually afford by uncovering the secret weapon of smart home buyers everywhere, your DTI ratio. But first, thanks for tuning in to watch another 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm glad you're here. So if you find this helpful or at least mildly amusing, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any future nuggets of wisdom from yours truly. All right, with that out of the way, let's fire up the 2-minute timer and talk about DTI. That stands for debt to income ratio. It's not as scary as it sounds. Basically, it's the percentage of your monthly income that goes toward paying your debt. Mortgage lenders love it. It's like your dating profile for you. If it's too high, well, they swipe left. And here's the simple version. Front-end DTI looks at your housing expenses, like your future mortgage, your property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees compared to your income. The back-end DTI includes all of your monthly debt. Now, this includes car payments, student loans, credit cards, and yes, that sounded good at the time, $80 a month gym membership that you never use. So what is the magic number? Well, most lenders want your back-end DTI to stay under 43%. Many others prefer it closer to 36%. That gives you some breathing room for things that you need to live on, like furniture and food. And here is an example. Let's say you make $6,000 a month before taxes. Now that means your total debts shouldn't be much more than $2,160. Now that is going to equal 36% of $6,000. Now if you have a $600 in car and student loan payment, that's going to leave you with about $1,560 for a mortgage payment. Translation, don't go house hunting with champagne taste on a beer budget. But hey, this isn't about killing dreams, it's about building realistic ones. When you understand your DTI, you walk into a home buying process with confidence, not with your fingers crossed. And remember, online calculators are fine, but sitting down with a real human who understands the market can help you see the full picture. And of course, look, if you want to run some numbers together and see what makes sense for you, give me a call. I'd love to help you map things out. And friends, that's going to wrap up today's 2-Minute Tuesday. If your brain now feels 10% more financially savvy, heck, give this video a thumbs up. And also consider sharing with somebody who thinks pre-approval is optional. Until next time, hey, stay smart, stay scrappy, and go crunch those numbers like a pro. You got this.